Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without butter. Many people think butter is essential, but you can achieve delicious results using oil. Oil provides moisture and helps create a chewy texture, often making cookies even softer. We'll explore the best types of oil to use and how to adjust your recipe for perfect consistency. Get ready to bake some amazing treats. When replacing butter with oil, a good rule of thumb is to use 3/4 of the butter's amount in oil. For example, if a recipe calls for 1 cup of butter, use 3/4 of a cup of oil. You might also need to slightly reduce other liquids in the recipe to maintain the right dough consistency. This balance is key for soft, chewy cookies. For the best results, cream your oil and sugars together until light and fluffy, just as you would with butter. When adding dry ingredients, mix just until combined to avoid tough cookies. Then, bake your cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. This ensures a perfectly baked, tender cookie. To enhance flavor and prevent spreading, chill your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before baking. Once baked, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. This helps them set and prevents breakage. Now, you can enjoy your delicious, soft, and chewy chocolate chip cookies, all made without butter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.